Good evening, Patna Sahib Singh Pathsala. Today is 6th of the October 2023. I am Dr. Anurag Manna from Anugrah Narayan Magal Medical College, Gaya. Today we have another set of 5 questions from general studies and 5 questions from current affairs. As I have already informed you that from month of October we have started question from the current affair also, and from today on the Friday of every week I will be giving you 2 questions of essay type, and you will have to practice those questions on Saturday and Sunday and come out of with their answers with your answers by next Thursday. You will have to submit your answers by next Thursday so that I can read your answers and ultimately give your suggestions. You can answer me on my mail, that is anuragmanna@gmail.com. And so let us start with the questions. 6th October 2023, Patna Sahib Singh Pathsala. Today is Friday, and the source of basic questions are from Ancient Indian History, Chapter 19, NCERT, Digha Nikaya, Mahavastu and Milina Panho are books related to political organization, B. Art and culture, C. Maurya period, D. Occupations. Question number 2. Shataka was A special kind of stone, B. A special type of cloth, C. A special work of iron, D. A special kind of pottery. Question number 3. Yeleshwaram in Nalgonda district was famous for ivory works, glass manufacture, bead cutting, terracottas. Question number 4. Which of the ports brought not only the commodities produced in the Satavahana kingdom but also the goods produced in the Shaka and Kushan kingdoms? A. Arikamedu, B. Tamralipti, C. Broch, D. Sopada. Question number 5. Romans imported certain articles from India. Consider the following. 1. Spices, 2. Muslin, 3. Pearls, 4. Jewels, 5. Precious stones. Of the above, A. 1, 3 and 5 are correct, B. 2 and 4 are correct, C. 1, 4 and 5 are correct, D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are correct. Question number 6. According to Indian Space Policy 2023, authorizations that can be accorded. These are current affair portion. This belongs to monthly policy review April 2023, and you can easily download monthly policy review and print it from prs.com. According to Indian Space Policy 2023, authorizations that can be accorded by IN-SPACE include A. Establishment and operations of space objects, B. Launch and operations of space vehicles, establishment and operations of launch pads, and D. All the above. According to Indian Space Policy 2023, ISRO will do following. 1. ISRO will work to demonstrate human space flight capability. 2. Develop a long-term roadmap for sustained human presence in space. 3. It shall also share technologies, products, processes and best practices with non-government entities. Of the above, A. 1 and 2 are correct, B. 3 only is correct, C. 2 only is correct, D. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Question number 8. Natural gas pricing guidelines were approved by A. Ministry of Power, B. Ministry of Renewable Energy, C. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, D. Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs. Next question. Food streets will be provided with assistance under the National Health Mission, under which central and state funding ratio will be 60-40, 50-50, 70-30, 90-10. Question number 10. Draft Sagarmala Innovation and Startup Policy was released by A. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, B. Ministry of Earth Science, C. Ministry of Environment, D. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So kindly solve these questions and search the correct answers. I am shortly coming with another video in which I will be giving you one question from basic segments and one question from current affair part of essay type, and you are supposed to write those questions and their answers after reading textbook and read and write the answers in your own words, so that you can develop your own ability to express, because ultimately you have to express yourself in the examination. And the time to start practicing writing essay type questions is now, and you have Saturday and Sunday and an open day for you, in which you can write, or you can write in other days also, but before next Friday you will have to submit the answers on my mail, and I will check those mails and also give the correct answers, exact answers written by me, and so that you can compare your own answers, that is your answer with the ideal answers, and ultimately you will be able to rectify yourselves. So send your answers on my mail, that is anuragmanna@gmail.com. So good night. Jai Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala, Jai Patna, Jai Bihar, Jai India.